Hello everyone. So I hope that you understood previous video, right? Chalo. So now let us move to the next thing, right? Next example. It is given that find the point at which the tangent to the curve. You write down this in your notebook, right? Find the point at which the tangent to the curve is given. Under root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope equal to 2 by 3. मतलब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, दैट इज फाइंड द पॉइंट एट विच द टेंजेंट टू द कर्व इज गिवन. तो सी listen, what we are going to do is that I am going to show you the figure, right? So I hope you can see it, right? Yes. So this is a curve. This is a curve. Consider this is curve y equal to under root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. This is that curve, right? Now consider one point on that. That is, okay, consider the first tangent. The point is x1 comma y1. Slope is given 2 by 3. Let us assume, right? This I have assumed. So what you have to do, that is you write that let x1 comma y1, let x1 comma y1 be the point at which slope of the tangent is 2 by 3. Where slope is 2 by 3, it is given only 2 by 3, right? Chalo. So you know, right, in the yesterday's video we have done that when we differentiate the equation, right, when we differentiate it, then see in from this, according to the given data, if you have understood previous day's video, then dy by dx, if we differentiate the curve, then dy by dx at x1 comma y1 will be equal to 2 by 3. Why? Because if we are going to differentiate this, then we will be getting the curve equal to slope equal to 2 by 3 only, right? But now what is the value of y? Y equal to under root of 4x minus 3. So derivative of under root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. See, minus 1 derivative will be 0 only. So derivative of this will be 1 by 2 times under root of 4x minus 3. Now derivative of 4x, that is 4. ठीक है. Now which is equal to what? 2 by 3. Now listen to me very carefully. ठीक है. Here 2 by under root of 4x minus 3 I am writing like this way, 2 2s are 4, so directly I am writing 2 here, then under root of 4x minus 3 over here equal to 2 by 3. Now these two, under root of, see here cross multiply, so 3 equal to under root of 4x minus 3, that is nothing but under root of 4x minus 3 equal to 3. Now squaring on both the sides, so 4x minus 3 equal to 9, so 4x equal to, which means that x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, that is nothing but x1 equal to 3, right? Chalo, now how we will get the value of y1? How we will get the value of y1? Yes, just think how we are going to get. See, very simple. Y equal to the root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. Now keep the value of x. Why we can do that? Because this point, right, this point is lying on tangent also and on the curve also, right? This point is lying on the tangent also and also on the curve also. So four 3 are 12, 12 minus 3 9, under root 9 3, 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so what is the point? We have got the point, that is 3 comma 2. At this point, see, understand the concept, right? At this point, the tangent to the curve is given, that is y equal to under root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope equal to 2 by 3. ठीक है, तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं था, लेकिन थोड़ा एप्लीकेशन सिर्फ वही था कि डी वाई बाई डी एक्स करेंगे तो 2 by 3 मिलेगा. अगर आपको वो चीज़ पता है तो ये सम आपको आ जाएगा, राइट? चलो, तो नाउ लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. ठीक है, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल लाइंस हैविंग स्लोप 2. Next example, find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. You write down the question. Okay, your question is, find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3. Right. This is the curve given, right? तो सेम थिंग कंसिडर करते हैं, राइट? लेट अस कंसिडर द सेम थिंग. व्हाट इज द थिंग? दैट इज let us consider this. Now curve is there. This is a tangent, right? Now listen, here also point we don't know, so let us consider x1 comma y1. Write down that only, that let x1 comma y1 be the point at which the slope is equal to 2. Right, here slope equal to what? 2. So m equal to 2. It is given only, right? Now this y equal to, can I write over here? -2 by x minus 3. ठीक है, चलो, I hope that this much you understood. It is already given in question only. So what we are going to find? Yes, now you tell me what we will do. dy by dx at x1 comma y1 equal to 2. Now what is the value of dy by dx from this? Yes, y plus 2 upon x minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to -2 by x minus 3. Now differentiate that. So minus minus will become plus, right? Differentiate of 1 by x, right? Differentiation of 1 by x, same way you have to do over here. Now these two and these two getting cancelled, so x minus 3 whole square equal to 1. Now if x minus 3 whole square equal to 1 means x is having two values. X minus 3 equal to plus or minus 1. So when x equal to plus 1, ठीक है। तो दो वैल्यू है x की, अब कैसे करेंगे? तो कोई बात नहीं भैया, 2 पॉइंट मिलेंगे ऐसे, कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी, 2 पॉइंट्स वी विल गेट। चलो, तो व्हेन x इक्वल टू 4, I am erasing this part, right? I am erasing this part. You note down this y plus 2 upon x minus 3. When x equal to 4, at that time, see, we will let us, means this value keep it as it is, y equal to -2 upon x minus 3. Now keep the value of x equal to 4. So -2 upon 4 minus 3. So -2 upon 4 minus 3, it is -2 only. Okay. So when x is 4, value of y is -2. When x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, then value of y is ठीक है। Now see what we have to do, right? Now what we have to do, see, we have got 2 points. The first point is 4 comma -2, second point is 2 comma 2. तो ये पॉइंट पे आप इक्वेशन फाइंड कर सकते हो ना, स्लोप तो 2 है, तो y माइनस y1 इक्वल टू m इंटू एक्स माइनस x1, तो ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर गिवन। इसका भी तो स्लोप 2 ही है ना, here also. ठीक है, चलो तो आई होप नाउ यू हैव टू डू वन थिंग, राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन y माइनस वाई वन इक्वल टू m इंटू एक्स माइनस एक्स वन. टू इक्वेशंस फ्रॉम दिस 1.1 इक्वेशन यू विल गेट, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस m you will get one more equation. ठीक है, so that much you completed. Now we will move to the next topic, that is equation of normal. Equation of normal, right? So now listen to me. Now this curve, right? We have one curve. See, I have told you that what is a normal, but once again I am repeating, right? Let the point be x0, y0. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं, टेंजेंट और पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट एंड द कर्व, सो इट विल बी दैट नॉर्मल. ये डॉटेड लाइन जो है ना, दैट इज नॉर्मल टू द कर्व. ठीक है, टू द टेंजेंट ऑल्सो. चलिए, तो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, राइट? नाउ यू नो that two perpendicular lines, right? Two perpendicular lines, when they are making, means for two perpendicular lines are making angle 90 degree, right? So product of their slope we have studied in the introduction part, that is m1 into m2 equal to -1. ठीक है, this you know, I hope so. Now can I write over here m2s minus 1 by m1? Why I have written this? m2 equal to -1. Now what is m1? हम m1 कैसे फाइंड करते थे? That is डिफ्रेंशिएट करते थे ना, सेम थिंग. चलो, तो दिस वी आर राइटिंग एज एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स. सो m2 इक्वल टू -1 डिवाइडेड बाय एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स, राइट? चलो, तो नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड नो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस. Now, so from this what we have understood that, अब मेरी बात को सुनना, अगर यहाँ तक समझ में नहीं भी आया तो भी मेरी बात को सुनो, अभी सब समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट? लिसन, अगर मान लो कि कोई एक कर्व है, राइट? कंसिडर वन कर्व इज दैट, ठीक है, एट एनी पॉइंट, मीन्स एट एनी वन पॉइंट इज दैट इज x0, y0, कंसिडर दैट. देन tangent equation, suppose we want to find tangent's equation, okay? So for that we need the slope, right? Suppose we want the, see, listen what I am telling, that is, suppose we have any curve, right, at any point that is x0, y0. Now tangent's equation we want, then point we should have, that is, so we have considered x0, y0, right? Now slope we wanted to find, ठीक है? तो slope, what will be the slope, tangent slope, how we are finding? See, now I will just generalize this, right? Tangent slope, how we are finding? dy by dx by using derivative at that point, right? Now slope of normal slope, otherwise slope of normal, So if this is dy by dx, so can I write over here -1? ठीक है, now you understood. So now I hope that these things are clear to you, right? And still suppose you have any confusion, then you ask to me, right? So now we will be solving the next sums based on this tomorrow, means in the next video, right? So thank you very much, have a great day.